ये नहीं है। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
कि इस तरह के कार्ड को डिस्प्ले मत करिए, ये सदन की मर्यादा को ठेस पहुंचाता। सभा की कार्रवाई 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
प्लीज सदन को चलने दीजिए। प्लीज आप लोग बैठिए। प्लीज आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते हैं। सभा की कार्रवाई बुधवार दिनांक 23 जुलाई 2025 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Viewers, is there an attempt to paralyze parliament proceedings? The Lok Sabha faced its second consecutive day of disruption, functioning for only 18 minutes. Yes, 18 minutes amid opposition protests over the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar. Opposition parties have alleged that the voter revision exercise is a threat to democratic fairness. The Election Commission, as you know, has refuted these claims, asserting transparency and compliance with established protocols, but the opposition is using this to stall legislative business in the House. The government, having committed to a 25-hour discussion on Operation Sindoor on day one itself, has accused the opposition of shifting the goalpost, shifting the narrative to obstruct parliamentary proceedings. In fact, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju emphasized the government's willingness to address all concerns, urging constructive dialogue.
विपक्ष से भी मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं, किसानों के सवाल को आने दे, हम जवाब देने को तैयार हैं।
आज प्रश्नकाल पर देश के किसानों के मुद्दों पर चर्चा होनी है, उनके आपदा संकट पर चर्चा होनी है। आप प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलने देना चाहते, आप किसानों के मुद्दों पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, आप हंगामा करने तख्तियां लेकर आएंगे, ये सदन की परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है।
ये पोस्टर बैनर लेकर के सदन को इस तरीके से डिस्टर्ब करना, ये तो बहुत आपत्तिजनक है। और वो चर्चा मांग रहे हैं, हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं, फिर ये सदन चलने नहीं देते हैं। ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड बिल्कुल गलत बात है। सरकार ने बार बार कहा है कि हम चर्चा करना चाहते हैं, फिर ये हंगामा क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, joins the panel. Sanju Verma, what do you make of the disruption in the parliament? 18 minutes is what transpired in Lok Sabha. Only 18 minutes through the day, ma'am.
You know, Pranesh, I want to make a couple of quick points. The BJP-led government wants discussion, the opposition wants disruption. We want cooperation, the opposition wants confrontation. We want facts to come out, they want to rely on falsehoods. We want dialogue, these people want diversion. But beyond semantics, you know, today's walkout in the parliament, today's sloganeering, today's narebazi in the parliament by the opposition, which was behaving not like elected MPs, but a bunch of vandals, hooligans and hoodlums. It had to do with their angst against SIR. So your audience needs to listen to this, Pranesh, that the Supreme Court, no less, because sari ki sari opposition, you know, at the drop of a hat, they wave the red Samvidhan ki kitab and they say, oh, you know, we believe in the apex judiciary, we believe in the Supreme Court, so they should know Supreme Court said 3 things. If Election Commission will not conduct SIR, so kaun conduct karega SIR? Then the Supreme Court, specifically Judge Sudhanshu Dhulia, said the Election Commission has the power to do what it is doing. And the third thing the Election Commission said was, we are not going to put a stay because the SIR is a democratic exercise. So my limited point to the opposition is, now that you know Operation Sindoor will be discussed next week, 16 hours in the Lok Sabha and 9 hours in the Rajya Sabha, which is what Kiran Rijiju said. So abhi aapko goalpost change karna hai. You shifted the goalpost now to SIR. The Election Commission has said, Pranesh, 97.3% of the SIR exercise is complete. Enumeration forms have been filled in. Only 2.7% of the SIR exercise is pending. So opposition के पेट में किस बात का मरोड़ उठ रहा है?
Okay.
राहुल गांधी के पेट में किस बात का दर्द हो रहा है? ये बताइए, कष्ट करिए बताने का।
Okay, let's put that to Mr. Saravanan. Mr. Saravanan, why is the opposition disrupting the House?
Pranesh, we was having a fiery debate just a few minutes back, and we were discussing why the BJP spokespersons did a vanishing act, and now the BJP spokesperson is here. Can you please find out why they did not appear to defend Mr. Dankar's resignation? Is the BJP afraid of that discussion, or they want to wash off their hands of that resignation? Probably you can get answers for that. And BJP talking about discussion, dialogue is a biggest farce. The same BJP when they were in the opposition say disruption is a legitimate way in a democracy, and when they come to power it will become they will oppose the same thing. We can speak about this endlessly, but when we speak about SIR, that is a biggest fraud committed by the Election Commission.
But
You
Mr.
can't
Saravanan, no, 1 minute, sir. You are saying that this SIR is a fraud. The Supreme Court does not think so. The Supreme Court had a chance to, hear all sides. The Supreme Court gave it go ahead to the exercise. So, who's calling this a fraud? Which agency? Which institution?
See, I'll explain that to you. I'll explain that to you. The Election Commission is saying, oh, 2003, we have given voting slips. We have given epic cards. But we will not accept that now.
No, but Mr.
Because
Saravanan, that can't be a defense of not allowing the House to function. What is this placard business in the well of the House? This is no way to behave. Do you like the fact that the Lok Sabha functioned for only 18 minutes? You tell me, sir.
Yeah. So who's responsible for that? Why the BJP is not allowing a discussion
Okay.
on SIR? Why? What is it afraid of?
Okay.
See, every time the BJP does not have
Sanju Verma
answers.
wants to, because you were saying why was the BJP spokesperson missing, she wants to respond.
And Pranesh, now when I speak, I don't want him to heckle me. Saravanan is talking about constitutional propriety. तमिलनाडु में संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ रही हैं रोजाना. Governor R.N. Ravi's credibility has been undermined repeatedly. He was giving the normal budgetary address on the floor of the assembly. Stalin and his acolytes walked out. He was giving the customary Pongal address on the floor of the assembly. Stalin and his acolytes walked out. And when the governor said, let's have a discussion on the Kallakurichi hooch tragedy which left more than 72 people dead, Stalin said nothing doing and the entire DMK walked out. और आप यहाँ बैठकर संजू वर्मा को, भाजपा को नैतिकता पर भाषण देते हैं. इतनी हिपोक्रेसी आप लाते कहां से हैं? But my final point, Ganesh, my final point is this. I think this will make it crystal clear why SIR was needed. Very quickly, the saturation rate of Aadhaar in Bihar is 94%, but in Muslim-dominated Kishanganj, it is 126%,
Right.
which means for every 100 people, there are 126 Aadhaar cards that were issued. And
Right.
in
These
Katihar,
details are available.
with
For
the-
want of time, we'll have to, get in the others. And Mr. Saravanan would say that there is an attempt to impose Hindi on him. But Professor Pasha, Parliament से लोकसभा सिर्फ 18 minutes चली है आज.
Pranesh ji, who is responsible for this? Who is responsible? Why the government is not allowing the opposition to speak? Why they are not ready to discuss Operation Sindoor or beat SIR? Why they are afraid? Why they are not allowing us? This is our right to speak in the parliament and discuss the issues related to the people of the country. SIR is nothing but to deprive the people of Bihar from their voting rights. This is the main purpose of this SIR. They have targeted a certain section, the weaker section,
Professor Pasha,
the Dalits.
Professor Pasha, on day one of the session, Rahul Gandhi said that, look, I wasn't allowed to speak. I am the leader of opposition. Now, the truth is that the chair asked him that, look, just discipline your MPs, ask them to go back, and then you can speak. Rahul Gandhi did not do that. And then to come out and say that, look, the onus of, letting the house run is on the government. Is that fair, sir? And what rights are we talking about? Holding placards, jumping in the well?
Of course, if the government doesn't allow opposition to speak, we will do that.
Okay.
This is our right. We'll force the government to come to the house
Karan,
and speak and allow us to discuss the operation.
This is our right.
No, Pranesh, इनका right है to disrupt. इनको लगता है they are entitled to disrupt every time, and every time they come up with a lame excuse from the last so many years. Whether it is Pegasus, कभी BBC आ जाता है, कभी Hindenburg की rubbish report ले आते हैं, कभी कुछ ले आते हैं. This is a pattern of this opposition. Then they are fixated 267 के अंदर होना चाहिए. Suspend all business. The Prime Minister will speak. The leader of opposition will speak during the question hour. I mean, what sort of entitlement is this, bhai? देखिए अनवर पाशा जी, the parliament is going to function as per rules. It is not going to function as per your whims and fancies. जब मन हुआ जो टॉपिक पे आके बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया. विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी नहीं चला रहे वहां पे पार्लियामेंट. There is a speaker, there are rules which govern the parliament. And Pranesh, there is some serious business pending in this parliament right now. 5, 6 very important bills, 17 important bills in fact. Indian Port Bill,
Vivek Srivastava is saying, I can read his
Income
lips.
Tax Act.
Vivek Srivastava was mute, Karan. But when you said Vivek Srivastava नहीं चला रहे, he said, I'll tell you, Vivek Srivastava, आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, आपके जो मन में है वो मैं पढ़ लेता हूं. इन्होंने बोला कि अगर मैं चला रहा होता तो चलता, अगर आप चला सकते हैं तो चाइना में चला लीजिए, वहां डेमोक्रेसी ले आइए पहले और वहां चला लीजिए. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, you are more influence across the border. So try this in Beijing and then if it works, get that model in Bharat. अब आप बोलिए.
बेजिंग इज वन पार्टी सिस्टम.
या
देखिए, मैं तो कह रहा हूं, मुझे चांस दीजिए. इनसे जैसे चला रहे हैं, इनसे तो अच्छा हम ही चला लेंगे, कहीं अच्छा चला लेंगे. चांस दीजिए मुझे आप. लेकिन मैं सिर्फ ये कहूंगा, हम नहीं चलने देंगे. अनवर पाशा जी ने कहा, आप एक के बाद एक स्टेट में धांधली करके यू आर विनिंग and
where is the dhandli? Which dhandli are you talking about? Which court has said that there is dhandli going on, Vivek Srivastava? You can't, run your party. Look at the state of affairs in the left party, sir. The left is left out. The left is history. The sooner you wake up to this reality, it will be better. Either you officially join another party, Sanju Verma, they will keep on disrupting.
Pranesh, I just want to first and foremost tell Vivek Srivastava, जो धांधली की बात आपने की ना, तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस के अलायंस पार्टनर जेएमएम ने जीत हासिल की, वहां धांधली हुई क्या? रायबरेली से राहुल गांधी इलेक्ट हुए लोकसभा में, धांधली हुई क्या? प्रियंका वाड्रा गॉट इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द वायनाड बाइपोल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में, बाइपोल में प्रियंका वाड्रा को जीत हासिल हुई, वहां धांधली हुई क्या? पिनराई विजयन is the chief minister of Kerala after winning a brute majority. तब धांधली हुई थी क्या? But my final point is this, Pranesh, very quickly. This entire charade that Rahul Gandhi is not being allowed to speak in 20 seconds. July 2024 as LOP. In his first bhashan as LOP, he spoke for 8 minutes. 1 घंटा और 40 minutes. And during the no confidence motion of August 2023, Rahul Gandhi spoke for 35 minutes. On the 4th of February 2025,
right,
Rahul Gandhi spoke for 42 minutes ahead of the budget session, and even yesterday, he spoke for 10 minutes at length. His own MPs defied him and jumped into the well of the house, sloganeering, जिसके बाद राहुल गांधी को अपनी जुबान पर
first 2 days of the session, there has been, very little legislative business. 18 minutes today, very little on the first day. Let's see how the session progresses. But let's not make this about opposition or the ruling party. All of us have a job to ensure that the people of the country deserve what they get, and the parliament is meant for legislative business, not for this placard protest or this picnic which goes on. I thank all of you for joining us. The News Hour with Navika Kumar on the other side.